During that time when gas prices were going out of sight, it was on everybody's mind.
Fortunately, one of our founding partners, Kurt Ants, had the rights to the product already.
He'd been selling it commercially for, by that time, about 15 years.
Mainly what we've been doing with our product is selling it in the mining and industrial applications.
They saw the benefits of engine longevity, and that's why they bought the product, because it doubled the life of their heavy equipment on these mining sites.
We said, you know what, Kurt, you have this great product, you've been selling it for 20 years, let's take it to the next step.
So before Syntek, my days were interesting to say the least.
I was working and living paycheck to paycheck.
Life was a little bit hectic for me.
And I was bagging groceries for minimum wage.
Sitting in rush hour traffic.
In our country, I think one of the biggest challenges is financial.
It's harder and harder for people to make a living.
Life just got crazy. We didn't see each other, we didn't see much of our children.
I really did not enjoy what I did.
We just didn't have time for our kids, and it was awful.
We both realized we needed to make a change.
It was at that time that we were introduced to Syntek.
Syntek Global is a company that can give you a great opportunity, not only for your family, but for you individually.
So it hit me that I wanted to find an opportunity that dealt with rising gas prices, and that's how I found extreme fuel treatment in Syntek.
Syntek Global and the use of XFT allows people to reach a financial goals and financial freedom that really changes their life.
We have a product that saves people money right at the pump. It's also a green product which helps the environment.
It's going to improve your fuel economy, it's going to decrease your emissions, it's going to improve your horsepower and performance, and it's also going to enhance the longevity of the working life of your engine.
My mileage has gone up about 4 miles a gallon in my car.
I went from filling up about 5 times every month to 3 times a month.
I noticed a 3 mile a gallon difference my very first tank. 2 people just this past week alone that were failing emissions tests put this in and went back and passed the test. So it's absolutely an incredible product.
Everybody can use XFT to save money. It doesn't matter if you're a soccer mom or if you're a manager of a fleet of trucks. Everyone can use this to save money. Now, some of those people are going to realize what we have here.
You can build a team of other distributors to expand your reach and your team's reach throughout all the markets in which we're open.
They can also not only save money, but they can earn substantial money by just sharing it with others and helping them save money.
A lot of people come into Syntek and they think it's all about sales and selling product, but the bigger picture is actually building an organization, because you can leverage your time, you can leverage the efforts of other people and create an unlimited residual income, which you can't do with just selling product.
Not only my life, but many lives in the tens of thousands will be changed over the next few years.
Walking away from a government job with full benefits and having my supervisor call me to ask me, am I coming into work today? It wasn't easy, not at all. But it was much easier to go to the office to look for them, to tell them, you know what, I've been able to do it without you.
There's people from all over the world that are changing lives, that are becoming the top income earners in their countries. Top income earners in their countries through Syntek Global in less than a 12-month period.
I make money that CEOs in Ghana don't see.
People's lives are being changed.
I'm financially free now.
I have the ability every morning to wake up with my kids.
The funny thing is, we're just getting started, and I'm making the most money I ever have in my whole life.
I started making big checks, started making a 6-figure income.
My walk to work every morning is up the staircase.
The leaders of this company aren't just starting and saying, look, this is what we plan to do. We're looking at people and saying, hey, this is what we've done. This is who we've helped do the same thing. And if you want to be next, you can be.
I look at the company as an awesome tool to get what I really want. I've got 4 children, and Syntek Global has given me the opportunity in a very practical way to go and provide the resources that they need.
The great thing is I have time and money to spend, so not only do we get to be together, but we get to go to amusement parks.
We can go to Disneyland on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday instead of a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, where half the people aren't there because they can't leave work.
I've been to the Caribbean in the last maybe 6 months, maybe 5 times.
We are able to take more vacations with our kids. We took them to Hawaii for the first time just 6 months ago.
And that's just something that financially we could afford to do because of this business.
I had never left the country before, and because of this business I've been able to travel to Italy, Canada, Ghana, all over the United States.
One of their taglines is dream, commit, and achieve. And They really have put compensation plan benefits in place to help people do that.
For just selling the product, you can make 25% off of everything that you personally sell.
You can build a team and earn team commissions on everything that they sell.
As you build your organization and you duplicate leaders, there's all sorts of commission structures in the comp plan which will pay you a long-term residual income off of the sales that you generate.
So this is an amazing product with an amazing business opportunity attached to it.
So we would invite anyone who has a need to improve their lifestyle, who wants to work hard, work with a great team of professionals, to join Syntek Global.
I'll tell you, the next 2 to 5 years, it's going to be insane because, I'll be honest with you, nobody's really heard of us yet.
Our company as a whole and where we're going is a massive explosion.
This is the time to join the business. It's not tomorrow. This is the time to join the business.
Truly what we are, we're planet shakers. We are shaking the planet up, this planet up with a product, and it's spreading like wildfire.